Welcome back to the KTCam design tutorial. Today we are going to learn exercise number 79 in SolidWorks. Now first of all see the exercise or dimension. Now this our base is 75 by 52 and height 40 plus 9 49, and this thickness to this rib distance will be 22 and this length will be 33 and this one was 9. Now first of all we draw this U type shape extrude. Now this one 75 9 33 9 15 and 8 means 15 plus 8 means this outer radius is 23 and this height is 40. Now first of all we draw this 75 by 9 by 33 9. First of all select front plane, extrude and make center line to our sketch fully defined. Like this. Now select 2-point rectangle and draw like this. Now define our rectangle. To define add relation and select this point and this line. Make it symmetric. Okay. Now going to smart dimension. This rectangle, this length is 75 and height is 9. Now one half circle distance is to this base to this half circle distance is 40. Then going to the center line and define and draw like this. Now going to smart dimension, select this line and this dimension knows 40. Now select center point arc, select this point and draw our circle like this. Now one more time select this point and draw our circle like this. Now this outer circle radius is 15 plus 8 means 23 and this inner circle radius is 15. Now close our sketch. And this dimension is not to this base means this 9 mm plus means this dimension is 49. Now done. Now see this thickness is 9. Then going to first of all going to select line and select and draw line randomly. Now going to smart dimension and this line first of all mirror, select our line, mirror about this axis and OK. Now going to trim entity and trim unwanted segment. Now this line dimension is 9 and right click and this hide and going to define, select this add relation, select this line and this center line, make it symmetric. OK. Now our sketch is fully defined and see this one was fully defined. Now extrude 52 mm, then going to exit and extrude up to 52 mm and make it mid plane through extrude and OK. Now see, extrude perfectly. 52, 75 and extrude up to 52. Now done. Now our one feature is pending. This rib 8 mm thickness and mid plane through rib, and this distance is 22 to this end side and 22 to this starting side, means 52 by 2, 26, and this one was 4, means one side 4 mm, second side 4 mm, means total 22 plus 22 plus 8 means 52. Now select this plane, going to click rib, select the sketch normal and draw this type of rib. Now exit. Now select the material direction, flip side means inside side material, and see, and this dimension is 8 mm, and also select one side rib, second side rib or mid plane to rib and OK. Now this rib one was done. Now select the rib, going to this linear pattern option, select mirror, select this point arrow and select our plane, top plane, means this one was mirror. Now our object is done, and now apply appearance, metal or painted. Now our object is look like this.